In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Subnautica 2 game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application, and then from the store page, you can click on the search box and type in Subnautica 2 to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it, and you will end up within the game detail page. Here you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews. Scroll down and click on the Add to Cart button alongside your preferred bundle or edition. You can then click on View My Cart in order to proceed towards your payment. You may then use your Steam wallet balance or any one of these payment methods from the drop-down menu. Then just fill up your credentials and your billing information, and you may save this for later use as well by clicking on the checkbox. As soon as you complete your transaction, the game will be added to your library. You can then choose your install location to begin the download and installation of the game. And once it is completed, you may start enjoying the Subnautica 2 game on your PC. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install Subnautica 2. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.